So this is my delicious fish curry. It's truly very delicious. I learned to cook this fish curry when I was in Malaysia from my mother-in-law. It's actually canned fish. So if you are adding fresh fish for this curry, please do not add a potato. Other than that, everything just as the way I did. This is very special request for my brother who lives in Finland. So here is the fish curry now. So please give it a try. Let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye to everybody.